guys, happy Monday. I can't believe I am up so early. It's like 6 o'clock in the morning. Up so early because it's so hot in my house. I can't even continue to sleep comfortably. So me and Blaze are up. You guys, best day ever. I can't share with you guys the news just yet because I want to make sure it's like official, but it's a good start. Well, yeah, I was texting him. I'm gonna call your dad right now. Thanks, Papa. Oh, it's so hot out here. Sydney has a guitar meeting, class, something like that, at 1 o'clock. Okay. Thanks for being patient, you guys. Look at this guy. We dressed him twice at home and he undressed himself. So you know what I said? I give up. Oh my goodness, the funniest thing happened. I'm gonna insert the Snapchat clip right here. Drakey, be careful. Drakey, you're gonna be nice to Blaze now, right? Okay. We have hamburger helper over here.
Delicious.
That is like my new BFF. Yeah, Sydney added hot sauce to his. And so it comes with the sauce, pasta, and I just added, wait, the sauce. Yeah, it's the, not the sauce, it's the ingredients, the package. I'm like, why can I not figure this out? But anyways, it comes with like this powdered ingredient thingy pouch. And then the pasta. So basically I added the vegetables and the chicken.
Woo! Okay, so this workout kicked my butt. So I'm gonna do some sit-ups and just a little bit of weights.
Someone is in a better mood. So glad he's in a better mood. So we got another fan to put in here because I swear everyone just wants to be in my room and it gets so hot with all of us in here. There goes Trouble. He's in a good mood too. And look at all this laundry I have to put away. Yes. Oh wow, Jakey got an ice cream. Happy July 11th, 7-Eleven. So that means, and so the kids got free Slurpees. What did you get, Drakey? Drakey got cotton candy, right, Mili? What did you get?
I got Coca-Cola and watermelon lime.
Sydney, what did you get?
Coca-Cola.
What did you get?
Coca-Cola is my favorite.
Coca-Cola. And
I'm
Blaze.
Drake's is pretty good.
Blaze gets to share with Drake. Okay, we're on our way to my neighborhood. Oops, Mili. Blaze is feeling better. Yeah. I think it was just the weather that had him feeling under the weather and throwing up, and then he has like, I think these are like heat rashes. I'm not sure. He's not doing good in the heat, but okay, let's go, baby. Let's go. Daddy took Drake to the park while Papa is doing his training. I'm always tempted to, every time I see this, I'm always tempted to buy it. Mili's addicted to this Musical.ly app.
So first it was 1, then it turned up to 4, and now it went up for 13.
I'm gonna grab some bananas. You guys know I'm not like hardcore keto, like not hardcore, but these look good and me and Mili want to try it. White cheddar, have limes, avocado.
Wait, Mommy, are we getting the
tomatoes. Mili grabbed some apples.
Yeah.
She wanted apples, and we have bananas. I need to go over and get some milk. Hi. So he's having some kind of allergic reaction to something. Look at this, and then look at his legs. So I'm trying to keep him. I don't want to put too much clothes on him. So there went my workout. He's a little fussy. Drake's a little fussy. I don't know, it's probably the weather, but I wanted to go jogging or do some Taibo, but Blaze comes first, right, Blaze? Can you say bye? Bye.
Bye.
Oh. Oh. Okay. It's okay. Mommy will work out tomorrow. Here, let me give you another bottle. Okay, bye guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.
And you guys had ham and cheese, right?
Go ahead. There's Becca. I see ya. Drake. We're getting ready. We're getting ready to go to Chuck E. Cheese. You guys ready to go to Chuck E. Cheese?
Yeah. I'm going to Chuck E. Cheese.
You ready for Chuck E. Cheese? I see. Are you ready for Chuck E. Cheese?
Yeah. After this is mine, I'm going to that.
And in case anyone is wondering, Blaze is napping. Kind of blurry. There it goes. Look at his legs. This is how Drake was when he ate peaches. So I'm wondering. Oh, he loves Chucky. Watch Blaze.
What? I was going to go trick.
Watch Blaze. He's gonna slip through the thing. Let me just go through the thing. Do you see Chuck E. Cheese?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Go, Drinky, go! He's always watching Chuck E. Cheese on YouTube. My niece here wants to taste test the fruit and veggie melts. Go ahead, Petan. Tell me what you think about them. What is going on with you? Are they yummy? Are they yucky? Are they okay? They're okay, or you like them? Do you want to have some more? Yeah, you can have some more. We also got these for Drake. I mean for Blaze. But Drake eats them too. And my older kids. They said it tastes like shortbread cookies. Let me taste this.
I hate that, Mommy. This is like a yogurt.
Oh yeah, those are pretty. This is my first time trying those. These are pretty good.
These are pretty big. I don't like them. I don't put them hot. I don't like those.
Here,
That's one.
Ricky, do you want these or the yogurt?
Baby one.
Becca likes those. Becca, you like them? Cool. Okay, let's see. Here. Becca, you want to try one of these?
Look, a dry one.
You want to try one of these? We're going to go and eat after this. The kids are probably hungry. Tell me what you think about these. Please, you can have some. Tell me what you think about them. What does it taste like? It tastes like a real cookie, huh? Oh, let me see the front. What does the front look like? That's a good choice. Good pick. Papa got a bracelet, candy, and this ring. Ooh, I love this ring. Yes, you got finger dinosaurs.
Mili got this for me.
Oh, cool. You wanted the money cards. That was nice of you, Mili. Okay, let's go. Let's go this way. For lunch, we're here at McDonald's. I'm just gonna have the kids play a little bit, and then we're gonna eat. Here, put them in here. Thanks, Papa. Drake had some pancakes and eggs. You guys see my water boy right here? Oh, okay. Give me the straw.
I got it. We made it. Here's my workout partner. Someone kept grabbing my legs, grabbing my feet, trying to trip me, but we did it. I was so close to not working out today, but we did it, Blaze. We did it. So I'm gonna do a little bit of weights, some sit-ups. Say bye.